Hi, Zeke here. So for our final project, um, we had to create this website where we were given a set of instructions to follow, um, and quite a few objectives. And first we had to make sure we're using an online API of our choosing to create a React project. Um, and the project itself had to meet certain criteria, like um, having at least 3 pages, which uses React Bootstrapped or some type of alternative styling library. It had to contain at least 10 components, and it had to allow for all CRUD operations to function and be successful. So anyway, so what I decided to do was kind of piggyback on something that I had been working on throughout the course where I was building a website for festival booking. Had created multiple websites before, so I thought it would give me a little bit of a head start. So anyway, some of the components that I decided to create was in the carousel, create footer. I also included buttons that were included in some of these JavaScript files, things like headers, nav bars, footers, read, including cards, drop down, definitely more than 10 components were included in here. So the carousel that I built, included, some of these pictures right here. But for some reason, I'm running into a hiccup with this, and I'm gonna keep looking into it, and then I'll just push it into GitHub. But essentially, wanted to make sure that I was pointing out the fact that I attempted at following, everything that I was able to find on the internet, especially in some of the React documents that I found. But for some reason, it's not working. But I did get things like, to create the forms and things like that, as well as a nav bar navigation, to work and things like that. And so I have the website up, and I also included the API link, using mock API. And, over the next couple of days, I'll be looking into this a little bit more. But for now, this is what I have. Footers worked, header work, home, which would include a little bit of the carousel view, should be on here. I added image, where I was trying to do an image layout when the carousel didn't work, but I'll look into that a little bit more, as well as update kind of following the CRUD operations. Thank you.